going on, guys? So today's video is gonna be a lot about our What's going on, guys? So today's video is gonna be a lot about our garden. We plan on planting radishes. We're not the biggest fan of radishes, but we could. What's going on, guys? So today's video is gonna be about our garden and us planting radishes. The reason we're planting radishes is not only it benefits us so we can add it to some of our food, but we can also feed it to our chickens. It takes about 7 to 14 days to germinate and about 30 to 40 days to mature, and we can get a lot of them in a short amount of time. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Follow us and come along and see the journey. We also have this onion that's been sitting in the refrigerator that's already starting to regrow. So we're gonna put this in the ground and see what happens. This is gonna be our first time doing this, so we don't know what's gonna happen, but it'll be pretty. Right now, we have a lot of cardboard and paper and eggs and coffee grounds that's on this, and we're just gonna add it to our compost right now. I should be getting a second batch of worms in from, I can't remember what it's called, I think it's Jim's Worm Farm. They'll be sending us some worms, and I'm gonna just add it into this compost and get more and more and more. So I'll show you guys how it looks. Right now there's some bugs in here, which is good. You want your compost to have bugs. We have a spider running around in here, but nothing harmful. And then it's gonna break everything down. And already since we started, before we even put the worms in, it's been breaking a lot of the stuff down. My buddy Jacob was able to bring over some shredded paper that we'll use as bedding once the worms get here, hopefully before I have to move on to work or get to work. And we'll see how that goes. Let me grab some of these. Are you filming now?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you gotta face it towards me. You gotta use that as like the...
Oh, cool.
So, take a look at inside the compost. So right now, all this, underneath this is paper. It is old mail that we didn't need, junk mail. There's eggshells clearly in here. There's egg cartons that we had left over that we're using in here. And we just add more browns and greens to this compost, and it's gonna get eaten up by the worms. And already at the bottom, it's moving throughout the garden because there are some worms in here already.
A great idea is for those of you with kids to try this out with them. It grows really fast and they're able to sow it relatively quickly, so it's really fun for them to watch.
Another awesome thing is when you're done with these, throw them in your compost. Shred them up, rip them up, and throw them in the compost so nothing goes to waste.
We can't wait to enjoy our yummy radishes.
Please like and subscribe and share the video. Thank you, guys.